Just ended probably an hour and a half, 2 hours ago. It's about 40 degrees, wind blowing about 15. I usually always have decent luck out here. I'm gonna have to go fix my collar. This morning we're gonna start out with some Licky Baker. About 20. Yeah, about 18. On camera. He came out, he crossed the fence 10 yards in front of me. I didn't think he was gonna stop. I hope it's on film. I hope I got it on camera. I guess we'll have to wait and find out, but I shot him. I stopped him and shot him. He got up. Started running off after he fell down. He got up and started running off. I had to double tap him, but I rolled him on the second shot before he got back in the woods. Oh, man. It feels good. just goes to show you. It's blowing 15, 16, 20 mile an hour winds down here. And I thought I knew I'd come over here this morning because I seem to have really good luck when it's really windy over here. Because it's a bowl. So these cows will get down here in these woods and get out of the wind. My best days, I killed a double over here last year on a day like today. So he came running in. He came across the road. He definitely came from across the road. Yeah, you can see that second shot. A little low. Yeah, check my gun. So, I mean, look at his body compared. And then he gets to the head. Look how gray that is. But anyway, I'm fixing to sweat my butt off here for a minute. And may go to another stand. Try it out. So just hang in there with us and I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching.